Hi everyone! Welcome back to Travel with the Hamiltons. Today we are checking into Delta Hotel's Daytona Beach Oceanfront, and wait until you see this view. If you are planning a trip to Florida's East Coast, this spot might just steal your heart. Let's go check it out! As we walk in, the room feels welcoming. There is a big comfy king bed, modern design, and a nice beachy vibe all around.
So it's a pretty nice room here. Even in the cabinet here is a nice small refrigerator and microwave. Not that big, but definitely helpful if you need a place to store some cold drinks and maybe a microwave to heat up something small. Also, there's one of the typical safes here, which makes it helpful if you want to store away your valuable items or passports or IDs while you go down to the beach. It's always helpful. Also, there's a few drawers here for some storage items. And then also kind of the typical small 1-cup coffee maker, a few packets of coffee, tea, and also plenty of outlets with the USB connectivity, which makes it helpful. There's a small desk area, decent sized TV, more outlets to hook up chargers or a laptop. It's always helpful, and it's overall a really nice room. No complaints.
The bathroom is clean and spacious, with everything you need for a relaxing stay. You also get all your essentials: shampoo, conditioner, body wash, fresh towels, and hair dryer. But the best part is right over there. Just look at this. Waking up to the sound of the waves every morning cannot beat that. If you enjoyed this room tour, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out our other Florida hotel tours and travel adventures.